I'll look and see them.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what is it? Elmo.
What do you think of it? Oh, do you see yourself? Can you drive?
We're trying to grow his hair out, and he's thicker back here than up here. So my husband wants to keep as much length as we can, but I tried to cut it. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me.
My hair.
But anyway, I haven't cut it in a few months, but just when he was little, so it's grown out. But in the front, you know, I kind of got a little sharp tooth action.
We'll straighten it out.
Yeah, but just shape it up and kind of maybe thin this out, but try to keep as much length, especially here, as we can.
That's not open. You can straighten that out.
Really, as little length as you can do, but get it straight.
Okay.
Like, yeah, you just
Will do.
just so we can grow it out.
Look at there. Look right there. I'm gonna need to take.
Oh, are you recording? No, I didn't do anything. We just walked right in.
Oh boy, what are you gonna do?